The All Progressive Congress (APC) in Kano State has formally invited Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf to join the ruling party, a move that has further intensified political tension within the new Nigeria People's Party (Nnpp). The invitation was disclosed on Tuesday by the Kano State APC chairman Abdullahi Abbas, who spoke on behalf of the immediate past national chairman of the party, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje. According to Abbas, the planned defection of Governor Yusuf to the APC is being driven by the need for unity, reconciliation, and what he described as the collective interest of Kano State. He stated that the APC is prepared to receive Governor Yusuf with open arms, adding that the move would allow both sides to combine strengths for the progress and development of the state. The development has reportedly deepened divisions within the Nnpp, the platform on which Governor Yusuf was elected. The party's national leader and political benefactor, Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, is said to be opposed to the governor's defection to the APC. Abbas, however, emphasized that Governor Yusuf's entry into APC will take place under the leadership of Dr. Ganduje, in an atmosphere of mutual respect and collective responsibility. As political calculations intensify ahead of future elections, observers say the possible defection could significantly reshape the balance of power in Kano State politics. This is Nnpp TV.